Washing the meat 5 to 6 times. So they have little hair in here. Make everything's clean, perfect and clean. Five times. Now I'm gonna wash finally with the vinegar. Light vinegar. I'm gonna wash it again. 1 or 2 washes. Left the deer meat soaked after 5 washes for 10 minutes in vinegar, white vinegar. Soaked in here for 10 minutes. White vinegar. The final wash. After vinegar wash and for the drain. It is finally washed, ready to marinate. Red onions, 1.5 red onions chopped. I got 8 to 10 green chilies. I got 3 habanero, a handful of garlic, and 2 ginger strip with skin. I got coriander leaf. Everything is going to be grinded. I'm going to add kastur mendi and a curry leaf and grind it together. Ready to grind. Adding handful of kastur mendi. Adding a handful of badam. Adding the mix grinded paste. 2 tablespoons of yogurt, plain yogurt. Adding 3 packets of sazon with a Spanish seasoning. Adding adobo, all-purpose seasoning, like 2 tablespoons. Old Bay seasoning, like half teaspoon. 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Mixing process. Adding the hot salt because I'm going to taste it and see it after all the seasoning. The salt is mixed well. All the salt, everything is good. Now ready to add the meat. to mix. This marination will be 48 hours. Maybe Saturday, I'm gonna make the biryani. In this mix. Make sure all the meat is fully marinated. Leave it for 48 hours. Deer meat is marinated. It's going to go in the refrigerator 48 hours. Added 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Adding 1.5 onion. Chop. There it goes. Keep stirring. Add for 5 green chilies. Adding tomatoes. Tomato chopped. Adding a little more adobo, 1 tablespoon. In the 48 hours marinated deer meat. With a pressure cooker. I'm going to pressure cooker the meat before making biryani. Close the lid. Adding the weight. One tablespoon of mustard seed, 1 teaspoon of cumin seed, 1 onion, adding 2 tomatoes. Adding curry leaf, the sliced green chili, salt, adding 1 teaspoon of adobo, adding 1 teaspoon of cumin seed powder, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, a pinch of turmeric powder, King Stanley's deer meat stew. Deer meat stew. Stanley's version of deer meat stew. Adding the deer meat. Marinated deer meat stew, 48 hours, making Stanley's version of deer meat stew. Deer meat stew. Mix everything together. Let it cook. Deer meat stew. Go to Stanley's Kitchen. How to make deer meat stew. Finally, adding the chopped coriander leaf. Mix it. And close the lid to cook it. Check the deer meat curry. Look at it, smells so good. Yummy, yummy. For recipe, go to Stanley's Kitchen on YouTube. How to make Stanley's version of deer meat stew. Bang, bang.